Hey everyone! If your Samsung TV's little light at the bottom is acting weird, don't worry. In the next couple of minutes, I'll explain what those lights mean, and when you should actually be concerned. Samsung smart TVs use a small LED indicator to tell you what's going on. Here's the quick guide. No light at all. Your TV is completely off or in deep sleep mode. Solid red, it's in standby, ready for you to turn it on. Solid white or blue on older models, your TV is fully on and working. Slow blinking white or blue, totally normal during startup, software updates, or when listening for a voice command like Bixby or Alexa. Just don't unplug it during an update. Now, if you see a flashing red light, that's usually your TV's way of saying something's wrong. The number of flashes can help figure out the problem. 1 flash, mainboard or power supply problem. 2 flashes, backlight or T-Con board issue. 3 to 5 flashes, mainboard or memory-related problems. 6 flashes, screen panel or cable connection problem. 7 flashes, power supply issue. 8 flashes, Wi-Fi module problem. If it's blinking really fast non-stop, it could mean a failed software update or a serious boot error. On newer models with the One Connect box, the light is tiny and near the power cord. The rules are similar. Solid red is standby, solid white is on, blinking white is normal activity, and flashing red means error. But the exact pattern might not always match the older models. So next time your Samsung TV's light is acting strange, you'll know if it's just starting up, or if it's time to call in a repair. If you found this helpful, drop a like and share it so others can fix their TVs too.